Welcome to an insightful exploration of milling machines in the pharmaceutical industry. We'll delve into their principles, construction, working mechanisms, uses, and the merits and demerits they present. This presentation is brought to you by Professor Dr. Santosh Kumar Singh. Hammer mills are essential size reduction equipment in pharmaceuticals. This chapter will guide you through their principles, construction details, working mechanisms, and applications, while also analyzing their advantages and limitations in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Hammer mills operate on the principle of impact between fast-moving hammers and feed material. As the hammers strike the material at high velocity, the impact causes the material to break into smaller particles, continuing until the material is small enough to pass through the screen. Hammer mills can be constructed in two main types, horizontal and vertical shaft. The horizontal shaft type features a rotor with hammers attached, discharging material at the bottom through screens. The vertical shaft type feeds material from the side, discharging through screens surrounding the chamber, offering specialized applications. Stainless steel is the primary material used for hammer surfaces in pharmaceutical hammer mills due to its excellent hygiene properties and strong resistance to abrasion. It provides durability, compliance with GMP requirements, and easy cleaning and sterilization. Hammer mills control particle size through screen selection, impact frequency, and retention time. These factors allow manufacturers to precisely control the final particle size distribution, ensuring the desired quality of the milled material. Two common hammer shapes used in pharmaceutical hammer mills are stirrup-shaped and bar-shaped hammers. Stirrup-shaped hammers offer good impact surface area, while bar-shaped hammers are used for materials requiring a shearing action. Hammer mills operate within a rotor speed range of 8,000 to 15,000 RPM. This range affects impact energy, throughput capacity, and heat generation, ensuring consistent product quality and preventing degradation of heat-sensitive compounds. Hammer mills offer advantages such as easy installation and cleaning, and versatility for processing different materials. Their simple design facilitates quick disassembly for cleaning, reduced downtime, and compliance with validation requirements. Hammer mills have limitations, including material issues with sticky or fibrous materials and screen clogging during operation. These challenges can reduce efficiency, increase heat generation, and require periodic cleaning and maintenance. Ball mills are widely used for fine grinding applications in pharmaceuticals. This chapter examines their operating principles, construction features, working mechanisms, and application scenarios, along with their advantages and limitations in pharmaceutical processing. Ball mills operate on the principle of impact and attrition between balls and powder material. As the mill rotates, the grinding media is lifted and cascades down, creating impact and sliding action that grinds particles effectively. Ball mills feature a hollow rotating cylinder with grinding media inside, driven by an external motor. The cylinder construction includes rubber lining for noise reduction and porcelain for contamination prevention, ensuring efficient grinding. The critical speed is the rotational speed at which balls are lifted to the highest point inside the mill and then fall, causing impact and attrition. Operating at 65 to 80% of critical speed achieves optimal grinding efficiency. Ball mills can achieve extremely fine grinding down to 5 micrometers under optimal conditions. The achievable particle size depends on factors like mill rotation speed, grinding time, and material hardness. Ball mills are used for grinding pharmaceutical dyes, pigments, and hard materials. They are essential for creating nanoparticle drug delivery systems and processing mineral-based pharmaceutical ingredients. Ball mills produce very fine powder with consistent particle size distribution, crucial for pharmaceutical formulations. They also offer flexibility for both wet and dry grinding processes, accommodating different formulation requirements. Ball mills have demerits, such as noisy operation and slow processing. The impact of balls against the mill walls creates significant noise, while the slow process is unsuitable for fibrous materials that require faster grinding. Fluid energy mills represent cutting-edge pharmaceutical milling technology, using high-velocity gas streams for size reduction. This chapter explores their unique operating principles, construction features, and specific applications in processing sensitive pharmaceutical compounds. Fluid energy mills use high-velocity gas to accelerate particles into the milling chamber, causing multiple collisions and size reduction without mechanical grinding. This allows for extremely fine grinding, ideal for heat-sensitive pharmaceutical compounds. Fluid energy mills are best suited for processing heat-sensitive, abrasive, and friable materials. Heat-sensitive materials benefit from the lack of heat generation, while abrasive materials are efficiently processed without mechanical wear. Friable materials, which break easily, are also ideal for these mills. A significant advantage of fluid energy mills is the absence of moving parts in the grinding chamber. This design reduces contamination risks, eliminates metal-to-metal contact, and allows for the processing of abrasive materials without excessive wear. Despite their advantages, fluid energy mills have a key limitation: high energy consumption. This impacts operational costs, environmental footprint, and the economics of large-scale production, making them less efficient compared to other milling technologies. The edge runner mill, also known as the roller mill, is a time-tested technology in pharmaceutical processing. This section delves into its unique operating mechanism, construction features, and its applications for processing tough and fibrous materials. Edge runner mills operate through mechanical action, friction, and continuous processing. Heavy rollers revolve on a stone bed, applying pressure and shearing forces to grind materials efficiently as they move outward from the center. Edge runner mills are ideal for processing tough roots and fibrous barks. The high pressure and shearing action make them perfect for traditional medicinal materials, ensuring efficient grinding and processing. Edge runner mills produce fine particles with minimal attention, making them effective for challenging materials. However, they occupy large spaces and consume high energy, requiring robust foundations and resulting in limited throughput compared to modern mills. End runner mills, with their traditional mortar and pestle design, offer unique capabilities for processing specialized materials. This section explores their operational characteristics and advantages for processing fibrous materials that challenge other mill types. The end runner mill features an eccentric pestle that rotates freely inside the mortar, creating a combined vertical and rotational movement. This design applies pressure while creating shearing forces, enhancing grinding efficiency and ensuring complete material processing. End runner mills are particularly effective for fibrous materials due to their combined crushing and shearing action. They are also easy to clean and maintain, allowing for processing multiple materials without cross-contamination. A limitation of end runner mills is their slower milling process compared to modern mills. This affects production throughput, manufacturing efficiency, and batch production scheduling, making them less suitable for high-speed operations. In summary, each mill type has its unique principles, strengths, and limitations. Selecting the appropriate mill depends on material properties, desired particle size, and specific production requirements, ensuring optimal processing efficiency. Thank you for your attention. We covered 5 mill types and answered 25 questions, providing a comprehensive overview of pharmaceutical milling technologies. Feel free to ask questions and discuss further insights with Professor Santosh Kumar Singh.